Hello, and welcome to Genie. In today's video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to download and install the Marvel Rivals game on your Windows PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your platform. Marvel Rivals is available on multiple platforms like Steam and the Epic Games Launcher. You can use either one to download and install the game. Option 1. Use the Marvel Rivals website, open your browser, and search for Marvel Rivals, or go directly to the official website. On the website, click the Play Now button. Select your preferred platform. Steam Epic Games Launcher. Step 2. Download and install the launcher. If you choose Steam, if you don't already have Steam installed, go to store.steampowered.com. Click Install Steam and download the installer. Run the installer, follow the on-screen instructions, and log into your Steam account. Open Steam and search for Marvel Rivals in the search bar at the top. If you choose Epic Games Launcher. If you don't have the Epic Games Launcher installed, go to epicgames.com/store. Click Download Epic Games Launcher and install it on your PC. Log into your Epic Games account or create a new one. Open the launcher and use the search bar to find Marvel Rivals. Step 3. Download and install Marvel Rivals on Steam. Once you find Marvel Rivals in the Steam store, click on it. On the game page, click the Play Game or Add to Library button. Choose the drive where you want to install the game. You can change the drive by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Click Install, accept the terms, and the game will begin downloading. On Epic Games Launcher, click on Marvel Rivals in the store and select Get. Once it's added to your library, go to the Library tab. Find Marvel Rivals in your library and click Install. Choose your preferred drive for installation and click Install again. Step 4. Launch the game. Once the installation is complete, on Steam, go to your library, find Marvel Rivals, and click Play. On Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, click on the game, and hit Launch. Final thoughts. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Marvel Rivals on your Windows PC. If this guide helped you, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Genie, and hit the notification bell for more step-by-step solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.